this is DJ Martin and welcome to Garage Guru TV. We are here at SEMA 2019 at the Yukon Gear and Axle booth with Gus, and he's going to tell us what they have for the new Jeep JT and JL platforms. So what do you got, Gus?
We have 4340 chromoly axles, ring and pinions, differential covers. We're coming out with a line of drive shafts for them. Everything you need for under the vehicle to get that thing, turning all these 40-inch tires and everything everybody's putting on them. Bulletproof platform.
When are they going to be available?
Currently.
They're available currently?
Everything is in stock, ready to ship, with the exception of the drive shafts.
That's awesome. So any new JL or JT owners, check out YukonGearandAxle.com?
Correct.
Check out YukonGearandAxle.com for all your JL and JT driveline needs. Hey, this is DJ Martin, and we are at SEMA 2019 at the MW Company booth, and Ace here from MW Company is going to show off some of the new 18x6 offerings on the Weld wheel line. So what do you got, Ace?
Hey, how's it going? So right here up top, we have our Lumistar 18x6 wheel. Right below, we have our full throttle 18x6 wheel, followed by a Magnum 18x6. These are the lightest 18x6 wheels on the market, and they'll fit any new big brake car out there. D-Man, ZR1, anything you got, these will clear the brakes. They're the lightest and the best in the market.
Awesome. Awesome. So if you're looking for a light drag wheel for your modern muscle car or supercar, check out weldwheels.com. Hey, this is DJ Martin from Garage Guru TV. We are here at SEMA 2019 at the Tough Stuff Performance Accessories booth, and I'm going to show off a couple of new products for SEMA 2019. Firstly, they have Hydro Boost compatible Saginaw power steering pumps. So if you're running a big cam or just an engine that doesn't pull a lot of vacuum, this power steering pump is compatible with a Hydro Boost system that acts as a brake booster for your braking system, so it gives you better stopping time and a better brake feel. The next product they have for SEMA 2019 is a power steering pump filter that goes in line with your power steering hoses. It has pleats on the inside as well as a magnet to take out any contaminants that may go into any power steering parts you may have, your rack, your box, or anything other that you wouldn't want any debris to get into, so it saves your parts. Lastly, from SEMA 2019 from the Tough Stuff Performance Accessories booth, they have GM Type 2 aluminum power steering pumps for many different applications. Check out all of these brand new products and many more at toughstuffperformance.com.